Have you been searching for the perfect off-roader with safety and styling without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Ford Bronco Wildtrak in Rapid Red. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, front bumper mounted winch, LED tail lamps, rear fog lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 3,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 2.7-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P6202.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.